Hey there, I'm Megan Meany here in New York, and this is First Data Download. Clover is all over. It's now available in Canada. The owner of this Toronto food truck, Heirloom, was the first to receive a Clover Flex. He's hungry for Flex features like texting or emailing receipts with a customized logo. It's the first Canadian point-of-sale device with access to third-party apps through Clover's App Market. Clover Flex is portable and can switch between IP, Wi-Fi, and LTE networks, so you can process payments from anywhere. It's now a snap for merchants to connect with consumers around the world. First Data did a deal with Bank of America Merchant Services. We're partnering on Bluesnap, an all-in-one global e-commerce payment platform for clients. Small, medium businesses and independent software vendors can quickly facilitate e-commerce without complex integration of several apps. So e-wallets or shopping carts, payment types, and fraud prevention all in one place. Clover.com gets a facelift. Not only does it look prettier with cleaner presentations of our hardware and software, but we're now selling our devices directly on the site. Any merchant can order one, no banks or sales reps needed. When you go to buy online, you'll see our partners' names. Click and they get full credit for any merchant they send there. Now to Mexico, First Data joined other payment powerhouses, MasterCard, Amazon, PayPal, at a huge e-commerce event in Mexico City. At the e-commerce summit and expo, participants analyzed how consumers browse, search, and buy in the region. The Mexican e-commerce market is growing rapidly, and there's a need for efficient payment acceptance while still maintaining fraud protection. Newer e-commerce retailers are expanding into physical stores to provide the experience of in-store shopping to customers. I'm Megan Meany. Thanks for watching First Data Download.